Hello. In today's episode, we will see a strange behavior of Microsoft SQL Server um, that happens at order by. First of all, we can see here that we have Microsoft SQL Server 2022, and we have a very short kind of SQL code which initializes an varchar variable and assigns an empty string to it in order not to be null. Then it concatenates with four values A1, B2, C3 and D4 generated as such. Let's execute and see the result of this. Indeed, we do concatenate the four values A1, B2, C3 and D4 as expected. And the order here is not known because we don't have an order by and is not guaranteed in any way. But we don't speak about the concatenation order. This is not important for us right now. Let's suppose that we want to ensure this order, and we will add an order by clause. But first let's look at the execution plan. What we do have? We do have the cost of select, we do have the cost of computing a scalar value, and the scan of the constant provided data, which is this. Okay, that's fine. Let's now add an order by. Order by 1. For example, execute again F5, and now we don't have any kind of concatenation, we just obtain the last value. And the execution plan now has, after select, immediately a sort operation, as you can see. Okay, let's see if is something wrong with the order, and add descending. Now we have A1, so the order by is fine, it really executes, but the results are not the expected ones. In our varchar variable, we get the last of the four values, only the last of the four values. Now let's put an X here instead of 1, and let's see what it is going to provide us. Indeed, the values are concatenated from the last one to the first one, but now the execution plan has a different place for the sort operation. It is not immediately after select, it is further in the execution plan steps. That's it about Microsoft SQL Server. You can see that it has big inconsistency in how order by is used inside the execution plan, and this leads to strange results sometimes. I can't tell you all the situations when order by will produce inconsistent results in Microsoft SQL Server, but you cannot trust this order by. You need to test always its good execution. Let's now stop here and copy this and go to ChatGPT in order to see what it is going to tell us about this construct. Okay, this is the ChatGPT window. And let's ask him, please tell me what is the result of the following SQL statement in MSSQL Server. Okay, let's see what we do have here. So it understands that we have a variable initialization. It will tries to iterate oper and append to n, and the execution order is not guaranteed. Indeed, it is saying that we can obtain these different values. Perfect. For now, that's fine. That's fine, and the advice to use string aggregate from SQL Server 2017 up, as I have already told you, or for XML path for older versions. That's another solution which I don't intend to discuss. It will give you some strange results because how XML is used. Okay, let's ask what about another statement for MS SQL. Let's put an order by 1. Okay. So again, it is telling us that the order by might be processed in a different order than the one is intended. Anyways, the sorted order, and anyways, what is telling us the final answer is unpredictable, which is not. It's quite predictable because we have seen what it is. It is the last value. It does not concatenate all the 4 values as ChatGPT is telling us. Either in the second answer or the first answer, it is saying the same thing, which is not true. It does not know about the real behavior of Microsoft SQL Server, which is wrong beyond the order by. As you have seen, the execution plans are not the same. So this is a bug deep embedded in Microsoft SQL Server, which is not known to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT does not know about this thing. By the way, there is another method to concatenate using common table expressions and with and recursive with. You don't need to stick to XML if you don't have string aggregate. But yes, string aggregate solution is much better, so I would recommend to everybody that listens, if you have legacy code, just change it and use modern constructs that the database engine allows for you. That's all for today's discussion. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.